Start listening.
Good morning. Please mute your devices. The Honorable Judge Sean B. is presiding. While Zoom is in session, there will be no driving, no inappropriate appearance of any kind, no head coverings unless they represent religious purpose, no eating, drinking, sleeping, smoking, white t-shirts, or hoodies. Please take heed to the instructions. Court is in session. Good morning, Judge.
Buenos días a todos y bienvenido a la sala del honorable juez Sean B. Perkins. Mientras estemos en sesión, le pedimos a todos que por favor mantengan sus dispositivos silenciados para que llamen a su caso. No se permite que estén manejando, ni fumando, ni comiendo, ni tomando. Tienen que estar vestidos adecuadamente para la corte como que estuvieran aquí en persona. No se permite que tengan puestos camisetas y no se permite que tengan la cabeza tapada con gorra, sombrero, cachucha, a menos que sea por razones religiosas. Gracias y bienvenidos a la Corte de Servicio Comunitario.
Okay, good morning, everyone. Best I can to get you out as fast and efficiently as possible. And I'm going to do the best I can to get you out in the order that you came in.
Buenos días a todos. Voy a tratar de llamar los casos en la manera más rápida y eficiente posible y voy a tratar de llamar los casos en el orden que se han presentado.
Mr. Garvin, good morning to you. You're really not supposed to be here until tomorrow. I don't. If you want, I think we can accommodate you today. If so,
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
Go ahead.
I wasn't sure if it was the 18th or the 19th, but I prefer to be correct than incorrect.
That's good. We'll take, it's only one charge. We'll take care of you today. We'll grab a file, but we got to get the file. Okay. Let's go ahead and let's get going. Ms. Williams-Law, are we ready?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Hernandez, good morning to you. Can you state your name, please? Can you state your name for the record, Ms.
Yes, my name is Emma Hernandez, CEO Qualified Spanish Interpreter, number 15575, Your Honor.
And can you raise your right hand, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm that you will truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in the manner now before the court and not divulge confidential communication, so help you God?
I do, Your Honor.
And do you swear or affirm that to the best of your ability, you'll interpret from English to Spanish and Spanish to English?
I do, Your Honor.
All right, good morning. And good morning to you, Ms. Villarreal.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Please. Can you state your name for the record, please?
Yes, Your Honor. Evelyn Villarreal, Certified Court Interpreter, number C3822.
And can you raise your right hand, please?
Yes, sir.
Do you solemnly swear or affirm that you'll truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in the manner now before the court and not divulge confidential communication, so help you God?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
You swear or affirm that to the best of your ability, you'll interpret from English to Spanish and Spanish to English?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
Okay, very well. All right, let's start with the City of Detroit versus Keon Perez Alvarez, case number SP 179-60232. Good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. My name is Kenny Perez Alvarez.
Okay, good morning to you, sir. Kenny, I'm sorry. Today is the date and time set for a review. You were ordered to do 12 hours of community service. I see that you completed those 12 hours of community service. We thank you for that. And for that, we're going to dismiss your case, okay?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Appreciate you. Have a good day.
You're welcome. Is Fernando Agustin Gonzalez here?
Fernando Agustín González, ¿está presente?
This was tomorrow. He's tomorrow. He said it's supposed to be. Juan. No, just grab it if you can grab it. You don't see it. All right, I'll just rock it on there. The city of Detroit versus Juan Pablo Arambula. Case number SP 184-04511. Good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Se llama el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus Juan Arámbula Rubalcaba, número de caso SP 1840-4511. ¿Puede decir su nombre, por favor?
Juan Arambula.
Juan Arámbula, ¿está presente?
Yo soy Brian Arámbula, no sé si sea ese.
I am Brian Arambula. I don't know if you mean me.
No, it's another Arambula here.
No,
Okay.
señora, hay otro.
Ok, disculpe.
I'm sorry.
Sorry. All right, let's go
Está bien.
with City of Detroit versus Heitzman Alansir Moreno, case number SP 183-42301. Good morning to you, sir. State your name for the record. He doesn't need an interpreter.
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm Hitsmi Alquiser. Could you fix my last name? It's actually Alquicer, not Alancer.
ALQUI.
C as in cat, ER.
ER. Okay.
Yes.
All right, I'll do that. I'll have Ms. Mathis do that. State your name for the record, please.
My name is Hitsmi Adali Alquiser.
All right, and Mr. Phillips, you confirm that he completed his community service?
Yes, John. Yes, he did.
All right, today is the date and time. We'll call it set for a review. He wants to we need to fix his last name too. ALQUICER. I'm gonna thank you for your community service, and I'm gonna close your matter out, okay? And we'll fix the name, okay?
All right, Your Honor. Thank you.
I wish you the best of luck, sir. Have a very good rest of your day.
You as well. Thank you.
Thank you. City of Detroit versus Casey Samantha Fang, case number SP 180-93461. Good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Casey Fang.
Good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time set for review. You were, in lieu of fines and costs, allowed to complete 6 hours of community service. We see that you did that. We thank you for that. And for that, we're going to close your matter out, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor. I did want to mention I quit vaping the day that you told me to.
No, you know something, I'm glad you did, and I know your lungs are glad you did, and since that time, you know, I guess everybody is going to react differently to people, but I've been hearing some horror stories about the vaping things since that time, actually. So I wish you the best of luck, continued sobriety on the vaping and have a very good rest of your day, all right?
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, have a great one. All right. Is the city of Detroit versus Luisa Garcia, case number SP 183-50973. State your name for the record, please. Good morning to you.
Presta su micrófono, señora. Se llama el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus Luisa García, número de caso SP 1835-0973. Y diga su nombre. Prenda el micrófono. Turn on your mic.
I'll send her the Luisa Garcia.
Buenos días.
Good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time set for a review. In lieu of fines and costs, we're allowed you to do 6 hours of community service. I see that you completed those 6 hours of community service. We thank you for that. And for that, we're going to close your matter out.
Buenos días, usted, señora. Este es el día y la hora que habíamos fijado para tener una revisión de su caso. Veo aquí que en vez de tener que pagar costos y multas, yo le permití a usted que hiciera 6 horas de servicio comunitario. Veo aquí también que usted las cumplió. Reconociendo eso, le queremos dar las gracias a usted y vamos a cerrar su caso.
Muchas gracias.
Thank you very much.
Have a great day, ma'am. Best of luck to you.
Que tenga muy buen día, señor, y que tenga buena suerte.
Igualmente. Adiós.
Same to you. Goodbye.
This is the city of Detroit versus Magdalena Cruz Garcia. Case numbers SP 182-76791. Good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Magdalena Cruz Garcia.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time set for a review. You were in lieu of fines and costs allowed to do 6 hours of community service. You didn't want to do the other community service to close out and not have any balance down here?
I was only told about the 6 hours. I don't know about any additional.
Well, you have
Costs that matter.
two other civil infractions. That would be an additional 12 hours of community service, and you wouldn't owe the court any money. This was just for the one that you took care of that day. The blocking traffic. Do you want to do an additional 12 hours to close out everything?
I can.
All right, let's do that. I'm gonna set you up for a review next month on the 18th of March.
Okay.
I'll allow you to do 12 more hours, and that will close out everything, okay?
Okay.
So get in touch with Mr. Phillips again, set it for review on March the 18th, 2026. He's got all your information. I'm sure you have all of his, and then you can set that up. If nothing further, we appreciate the community service that you did do, and I wish you the best of luck. We're going to close that one out that you had the community service for, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
The best of luck to you, ma'am.
Thanks.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Nicholas Lopez Garcia, case number SP 183-11971. Good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Este es el
Garcia.
de la ciudad de
Habla
Detroit.
inglés.
Este es el
You
caso.
don't need any.
He doesn't need
You don't-
interpreter? Okay.
You don't need it, Mr. Garcia. Today is the date and time set for a review. Good morning to you. And in lieu of fines and costs, you were allowed to do 6 hours of community service. I see that you completed those 6 hours of community service. We thank you for that. And for that, we're going to close your matter out, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Same to you.
Thank you. Is Dennis Gomez here? Jordan Greer here? Celine Guerrero, James Hennon, Christian Lagos Rodriguez, City of Detroit versus Chelsea Nicole Lewis, case number SP180-31331. Good morning to you, ma'am. State your name for the record, please. Chelsea Nicole Lewis.
Chelsea Lewis.
All right, good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a review. You were ordered to do 12 hours of community service. I see that you completed those 12 hours of community service. We thank you for that. And for that, we're going to dismiss your case, okay?
Okay, thank you.
All right, if there's nothing further, Ms. Lewis, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you.
Thank you.
Well, sure, no problem. Only need one. Carlos Mendez Garcia.
¿Está por aquí el señor Carlos Méndez García?
I'm here.
Do you need interpreter, sir?
No, I'm good.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Where's Carlos Mendez Garcia?
I'm right
Okay,
here.
good
Sir.
morning to you, sir. Today, this is the City of Detroit versus Carlos Mendez Garcia. Case numbers SP175-37102, SP180-12971, SP183-6511. State your name for the record, please.
Carlos Mendez Garcia.
All right, today is the date and time set for, and good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a review. You were allowed to do a mixture of, and allowed and ordered to do a mixture of community service, 30 hours.
Yeah.
I see you only completed 7 hours. What's going on?
No, it was yesterday I did, I believe it was 4, but there was like a little confusion because when what's it called? I was supposed to do my hours in this one church, and I forgot what's his name. He said he was like out of the city.
Say that again?
That I was supposed to do my hours in this one church on Del Rey over there at Fort. And what's it called? I called Mr. Phillips and he just told me to just do my hours at Clark, and that's when I only had like a few days left to do my hours.
All right, how long is it going to take you to complete the rest of the hours, sir?
I could do that in 4 days, 3-4 days.
You want to come back March the 4th?
Yeah.
All right, come back March the 4th with the hours complete so we can close this stuff out, okay?
Okay, Your Honor.
Best of luck to you, sir. Have a very good rest of your day.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. This is the City of Detroit versus Natividad Relegado, case number SP183-46982. Good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Este es el caso de la ciudad.
Regalado.
Okay.
Good morning to you, Mr. Regalado. This is today is the date and time set for a review. In new and fines and costs, you were allowed to do 6 hours of community service. I see that you completed the 6 hours of community service, and for that, we're going to dismiss your case. Close your matter out, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, if there's nothing further, best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you. Same to you, Your Honor.
Is Andres Rojas, Andres Rojas here?
Está por aquí el señor Camilo Andrés Rojas.
Sí, señor.
Yes, sir.
All right, good morning. This is the City of Detroit versus Camilo Andres Rojas Sr. Case numbers SP 1835960, counts 2 and counts 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Este es el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra el señor Camilo Andrés Rojas Jr., número de caso SP 183-59603, cargos 1, 2 y 3.
State your name for the record, please.
Señor, por favor, diga su nombre para que conste en el acta.
Camilo Andrés Rojas.
Camilo Andrés Rojas.
All right, good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a review. In lieu of fines and costs, you are allowed to do 12 hours of community service. I see that you completed those 12 hours of community service. We thank you for that. And for that, we're going to close your matters out, okay?
Señor, hoy es el día y la hora agendada para la revisión de su caso. Usted se le ordenó hacer 12 horas de servicio comunitario, los cuales ha completado, y en vista de lo cual su caso va a ser desestimado. Muchas gracias por su servicio.
Muchas gracias.
Thank you very much.
All right, best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
Señor, que tenga muchísima suerte y la mejor de las suertes para usted y que tenga un excelente día. Se puede retirar.
Ok, gracias.
Okay, thank you.
All right, City of Detroit versus Ricardo Verdeja Martinez, case number S43102. Good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. My name is Ricardo Verdeja Martinez.
All right, good morning. Today is the date and time set for review. In lieu of fines and costs, you are allowed to do 6 hours of community service. I see that you completed those community service hours. We thank you for that. And for that, we're going to close your matter out, okay?
Okay.
All right, there's nothing further. Best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you, Your Honor. You too.
It's Orlando Velasquez here, Carlos Sanchez, Corinne Reyes here, Derek Lewis, Agos Rodriguez. All right. This is the City of Detroit, and he will need an interpreter versus Eliu Pastor Vasquez, case number SP 185-30532. Appearance for the record, please.
Se llama el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus Eliu Pastor Vázquez, número de caso SP 1853-0532. Que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta, por favor.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Vasquez.
Habla Elwood S. Berry Jr. representando al acusado. Díganos su nombre completo, señor Pastor.
Mi nombre es Eliu Pastor Vázquez.
My name is Eliu Pastor Vasquez.
For purposes of arraignment, Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Su señoría, para el propósito de la lectura de cargos, renunciamos que nos tengan que leer los cargos formalmente y vamos a guardar silencio.
And we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Good morning to you, sir. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Muy bien, vamos a procesar una declaración de no culpable para su cliente y darle una fianza de $0. Buenos días a usted, señor Eliu Pastor Vázquez. Lo que vamos a hacer es que lo vamos a pasar ahora virtualmente a una sala privada de consulta. Y el señor Perry va a tratar de conseguirle usted una oferta de resolución actualizada. Tenga en mente que si usted no le gusta la oferta de resolución que le proponen, usted tiene todo derecho de ir a juicio. Acepte la invitación cuando se la manden.
Let me put you in. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
Lo vamos a pasar a la sala privada de consulta virtualmente y cuando usted regrese,
Let's pass the matter. All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Aniha Nicholas Perez. Case number SP183-42141. Good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Este es el caso de la señora de la ciudad de Detroit contra la señora Anaí Nicolás Pérez. Número de caso es 183-42-141. Señora, por favor, diga su nombre completo para que conste en el acta.
Anaí Nicholas Perez.
Anaí Nicolás Pérez. Is she
Morning
the
to you, ma'am.
interpreter, Your Honor?
Do you need an
No.
interpreter? All right, she does not. Good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time set for review. In lieu of fines and costs, you are allowed to do 6 hours of community service. I'm happy to see you completed those community service hours. And for that, we're going to thank you and close your matter out, okay?
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, best of luck to you, ma'am. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you.
Is Refugio Garcia here?
¿Está aquí el señor García? Where is he at?
I don't. I just had him down on the as. What about Fernando Gonzalez? Is Fernando Gonzalez here?
¿Está el señor González, Fernando González, por aquí?
I don't see him anymore either.
Yeah.
I know Daniel Green is here. Let's call it. This is the city of Detroit versus Daniel Green. Case numbers SP1482130, counts 1, counts 2, SP1571875-1, SP1744916, counts 1 and counts 2, SP1802666, counts 1 and counts 2, and SP1803681. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor, and good morning to the staff. Cherika Harris, P72832, on behalf of Mr. Green. Please state your name for the record.
Daniel Green.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute. Respectfully request that the warrants be recalled.
Very well. Good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for arraignment on the bench warrant. I'm going to enter a not guilty plea on your behalf. I'm going to give you a $0 bond. Ms. Harris, I call some more cases into the record that are not on the docket. Whenever you're ready, let me know.
Ready.
I counted a no insurance proof and a disregard or red signal. He owes $288 on one no insurance proof. Then there's an older no insurance proof he owes $336 on, amongst some other handful of other civil infractions. Mr. Green, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
All right.
Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. Pass it out. Yes, sir. On the Motorola Moto G, good morning to you, sir. What is your name, please?
La persona que está en el Motorola Moto G, por favor, ¿cuál es su nombre?
Mi nombre es Reinaldo Muñoz Moreno.
¿Perdón?
Reinaldo Muñoz Moreno.
Reinaldo Muñoz Moreno.
Ajá.
To you.
Buenos días, señor.
Buenos días.
Yes, I got it. At the end of page 2. Señor, ¿usted necesita intérprete?
Sí, por favor.
He needs interpreter, Your Honor.
Okay.
All right.
And good morning to you.
Buenos días, señor.
Buenos días. Buenos días,
Good
señoría.
morning.
I don't like. Oh, you want to get more?
Yeah.
I don't know.
I need people to mute their devices.
Necesitamos que todos mantengan sus dispositivos silenciados, por favor.
Okay, now let's go back on the record with Mr. Pastor Vasquez. I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Vamos a volver en el acta con el caso del señor Pastor Vázquez. Señor, yo le di a usted la oportunidad de hablar con su abogado en una sala privada de consulta. Dígame, abogado, ¿qué van a hacer?
Your Honor, my client has shown a valid international license. We seek dismissal.
Su señoría, mi cliente me pudo mostrar a mí una licencia de conducir vigente internacional. Nosotros le pedimos a la corte que desestimen el caso.
All right, I'm going to dismiss the case, sir, for providing valid documentation. If it's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you.
Muy bien, entonces voy a desestimar este caso debido a que pudo presentar documentación válida. Si no hay algo que agregar, señor, le deseo a usted buen día y buena suerte.
Igualmente, muchas gracias.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. See you later.
Have a good day, Your Honor, and everybody there. God bless everybody.
You as well.
Bye-bye.
This is the city of Detroit versus Brian Arambula Baltazar. Case number SP158-40561. SP182-6236, counts 1 and counts 2. SP182-6265, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Este es el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra el señor Brian Arámbula Baltazar. Número de caso SP 182-62-361, cargos 1 y 2, y SP 182-62-651, cargos 1, 2 y 3. Sus comparecencias, por favor, para que consten en el acta, comenzando por su abogado.
Elwood S. Berry Jr., on behalf of the defendant, state your full name, Mr. Ambula Baltazar.
Mi nombre es Edward Berry Jr. y estoy representando al acusado. Señor Baltazar, por favor, diga su nombre completo para que conste en el acta.
Hola, buenos días. Me llamo Brian Arámbula Baltazar.
Hello, good morning. My name is Brian Arámbula Baltazar.
Good morning to you, sir. Day, date, and time set for arraignment on the bench warrant. Go ahead, arraignment on, and he has a warrant. Go ahead, counselor.
Está bien, señor. Hoy es el día y la hora para la lectura de cargos y también tiene una orden de detención. ¿Qué desea hacer usted, abogado?
We would waive the reading of the information and stand mute, Your Honor.
Nosotros vamos a ceder la lectura formal de los cargos y vamos a permanecer en silencio.
We'll enter a not guilty on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond, and he has an additional driving while licensed and proper, Mr. Berry, to add to that.
Yes, sir.
Está bien, yo voy a introducir entonces una declaración de la culpabilidad en su nombre y voy a poner una fianza de $0. Señor Berry, él también tiene otro cargo adicional de manejar con una licencia inapropiada. Ok, Your Honor.
All right, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Está bien, señor, yo lo voy a mandar a una sala de consulta privada con su abogado para que le dé una oferta actualizada de resolución por parte de la fiscalía. Si no le gusta esa oferta, sepa y entienda que tiene todo el derecho a ir a juicio. Por favor, acepte la invitación para ir a la sala de consulta privada número 2.
Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Por favor, únase a la sala de privada, acepte la invitación y una vez que esté listo y salga, nos deja saber qué desea hacer. Por favor, acepte la invitación. I think he's... Okay. Acepte. Join, señor. Señora Arámbula, apriete unirse. Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. I muted you, Mr. Martinez, because you have background noise.
I'm sorry, I apologize.
Please mute your device.
Not a problem, sir.
Oh.
I apologize, Judge.
Okay, apology accepted.
I'm sorry, can you hear me, sir?
You still haven't muted your device. I'm gonna mute you. Do not unmute yourself. Harris.
I'm sorry. I apologize.
I'm about to put you in the waiting room. Go ahead, Ms. Harris.
I was just going to say that I'm waiting for a response from Ms. Horn. I can speak with someone else if the court would like.
City of Detroit versus Whitney Gianchecki. Case number SP 1710690, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 171069111. SP 1741697, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1752959, counts 2 and counts 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name for the record.
Whitney Gianchecki.
Good morning to you, ma'am. Sorry. That's the purposes of arraignment, counselor.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute. Respectfully request that the warrants be recalled.
I'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. All right, I'm gonna put you in a waiting room, put you in the breakout room with Ms. Harris. I'm trying to figure out why it's a 9 on here.
Right.
Oh. No? Yes, oh no, I can't figure out why it's 9 on here, Ms. Harris.
Does that mean it's dismissed?
No. That means you need to show up to court because I remember you were here last time and you missed.
Court saying it should be more than 9 or less than 9?
It should be 9, but I'm only counting 8 on that thing.
I count
Jen,
9
check
on the docket that I have.
docket, and I only counted 8 into the record, so I'm trying to figure out where
Okay.
the other one. Oh, one of the improper plates that wasn't paid, SP 11646013 is on there. That's already been adjudicated, just never was paid. All right, she owes a handful of cases, more than a handful, like almost 10 cases that she never paid. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 cases that weren't paid. One is a no insurance civil, $258. The other ones are some civil infractions, but mostly misdemeanors. I'm Ms. Genchecki, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please. Let's pass the matter. Can you run her license, please? Can you run that license, please? His license. Never did fix the heat. It's still just burning up. Burning up.
So maybe I can turn it down myself. I just don't want to touch that.
I think it's supposed to be 60. They didn't see.
Yes. And run that license.
The high is 56 today.
So they make it up to 6. All the everybody's on the document, but I'm printing. We don't have a field. Are we ready on Ms. Jincheki?
Ready, Your Honor.
Well, let's go back on the record with Ms. Jincheki. Ms. Jincheki, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, we are respectfully requesting a pretrial date.
All right. Pre-trial date will be March the 13th. March the 13th at 8:30. Ms. Jincheki, if there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you.
And Your Honor,
You're
is
welcome.
that still a community court date so that she would be able to do the community service?
No, that's not a community court date. On a community court date, it'll be March the 4th.
Okay. Yes.
March the 4th,
Yes.
come back on March the 4th. There's
Okay.
nothing further.
Did you want Hernandez driver's license too?
Pardon me?
Hernandez.
What?
That's what you want his license too.
Both licenses. All right, Jamal Griffin.
Yes, sir, I'm here.
Good morning to you.
Good morning. I don't know why I can't video.
City of Detroit versus Jamal Griffin, case number SP 1423203, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Sorry,
Beg your
Cherika
pardon?
Harris, on behalf of Mr. Griffin. Mr. Griffin, can you state your name for the record, please?
Yes, my name is Jamal Griffin.
For purposes of
All right.
arraignment, my client stands mute. Respectfully request that the warrant be recalled.
Enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. He has a valid driver's license. Mr. Griffin, I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Your Honor, may I say something on behalf of myself?
Why don't you speak to Mrs. Harris first, okay? And she may be
Okay.
able to clear.
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room, join the room, and let us know what you want to do. He's in there. Good morning, Ms. Horn.
Good morning, Your Honor. Thank you for your patience. I had a motion on the record. Thank you, Your Honor.
Past that matter. Are you ready, Mr. Perry?
Yes, Your Honor, ready. As to Mr. Arambula.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Arambula. Mr. Arambula, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor,
Está bien,
my client,
volvamos para que conste en el acta con el señor Arámbula Baltasar. Señor Arámbula, le di la oportunidad de hablar en una sala de consulta privada con su abogado, el señor Berry. Señor Berry, ¿qué desea ser su representado?
Your Honor, my client wants to accept the offer of the people, but he's working out of town for the next 2 months, and he'd like to do the community service, but he's away for 2 months.
Okay, when will you be coming back?
Señor Arámbula, abra su micrófono, por favor. ¿Cuándo va a estar usted de regreso en Michigan?
En julio.
In July, Your Honor.
What's the deal, Mr. Barry?
The deal is that he would enter a plea to allowing for the driver's license never having been acquired and plead as charged to the seatbelt charge, the remaining matters to be dismissed.
¿Y cuál es la oferta de resolución que le ofrecieron al señor Berry? La oferta de resolución que le ofrecieron su señoría es que él se declare de el cargo enmendado de que dejó que alguien sin licencia manejara por el cargo original de nunca haber tenido una licencia y del cargo original de que no está usando el cinturón de seguridad y los otros 3 cargos restantes van a ser eliminados.
And you want to take the deal?
¿Y usted quiere tomar ese acuerdo, señor?
Sí.
Yes.
Can you raise your right hand, please?
¿Puede levantar su mano derecha, por favor, señor?
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
¿Usted jura decir la verdad, solo la verdad y nada más que la verdad?
Sí.
Yes.
You can put your hand down.
Señor, ¿puede bajar su mano?
Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for these misdemeanor offenses are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Señor, ¿usted entiende que la máxima penalidad por este tipo de delito podría ser de hasta 93 días de cárcel y o hasta $500 de multa o costos?
Sí.
Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
¿Y usted entiende que usted tiene absolutamente el derecho de ir a un juicio si así lo quisiera?
Sí.
Yes. Yes.
Mr. Barry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Y mientras que estaba en la sala de consulta privada con su abogado, el señor Berry, él le informó de todos sus derechos constitucionales. ¿No es así?
Sí.
Yes.
And you understood those rights?
¿Y usted entendió esos derechos?
Sí.
Yes.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
¿Usted tiene alguna pregunta acerca de esos derechos?
No.
No.
You know, by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
¿Y usted entiende que tomando este acuerdo de resolución que le están ofreciendo, usted está renunciando a esos derechos?
Sí.
Yes.
Anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
¿Y alguien más le ofreció a usted alguna cosa aparte de lo que ya hemos hablado y que consta en actas?
No.
No.
All right, let me draw your attention back to November the 6th, 2025 at around 7:50 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Verner and Dragoon. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Señor, déjeme llevar su atención al día y al lugar de los hechos, que fue el 6 de noviembre del 2025 a las 7:50 de la noche en las inmediaciones de la calle Vernon y Dragoon en la ciudad de Detroit. Ese día, esa hora, en ese lugar, lo paró usted un oficial de policía de la ciudad de Detroit?
Sí.
Yes.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
¿Y estaba manejando este vehículo, señor?
Sí.
Yes.
The officer asked you to produce a valid driver's license.
¿Y el oficial le pidió que le mostrara una licencia válida de conducir?
Sí.
Yes.
You couldn't do so, could you, sir?
Pero usted no se la pudo mostrar, ¿verdad, señor?
No.
No, I couldn't.
And why is that?
¿Por qué no pudo?
Porque no tengo licencia.
Because I don't have one.
Okay, very well. I'm going to find you guilty as to the amended count of allowing, order you to do 12 hours of community service. I'll dismiss upon completion.
Está bien, señor. Entonces yo lo voy a encontrar culpable del cargo enmendado de que usted dejó que alguien sin licencia manejara. Y le voy a imponer por ello 12 horas de servicio comunitario. Una vez que ya las haya cumplido, voy a desestimar ese cargo, ese caso.
Stipulate the probable cause for the responsible plea on your client's behalf.
Señor abogado, por favor, estipule la causa probable para la declaración de responsabilidad del otro cargo.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Estipulado, su señoría.
All right, stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters.
Yes, Your
Y
Honor.
también
So stipulated.
estipula usted la causa probable para la desestimación del resto de los cargos estipulados igualmente, su señoría.
I'm going to find your client responsible for as charged to the seatbelt ticket in lieu of fines and costs. It'll be an additional 6 hours of community service for a total 18 hours of community service.
Está bien, yo voy a encontrar a su representado responsable del cargo original de que no estaba usando el cinturón de seguridad, y para ello le voy a poner 6 horas de servicio comunitario, lo que hace un total de 18 horas de servicio comunitario.
Okay, when will you be coming back to Michigan, sir?
Señor, ¿cuándo es que usted va a estar de regreso nuevamente en Michigan?
En 3 meses.
In 3 months.
In May?
En mayo.
Sí.
Yes.
All right, I want you to do this in the beginning of May, end of May, what time in May?
¿En qué altura del mes de mayo? ¿Al principio, mediados o a finales?
A mediados.
Middle May. Middle May to the end.
Middle of May. All right, I'm gonna set you for a review on June the 3rd. June the 3rd.
Señor, lo voy a poner entonces aquí para una revisión de su caso el día 3 de junio.
Okay.
Do you have the number to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center?
¿Ya usted tiene el número para llamar al Centro de Justicia Comunitaria del sureste de Detroit, donde tiene que hacer las horas de servicio comunitario?
Sí.
Yes.
And I need a good phone number from you.
Señor, necesitamos un buen número de teléfono donde nosotros nos podamos comunicar con usted.
Okay.
Por favor.
Le paso uno.
Sí. Do you want it?
Yes.
Sí, señor.
313.
313.
858.
858.
62.
62.
78.
78. Cuando llamemos ahí, ¿podemos comunicarnos con usted?
Sí.
Okay, 313, Your Honor, 858, 6278. When we call, can you reach you there? Yes.
And I want you to call Mr. Phillips this afternoon and get those hours set up. I understand you won't be back until June, but get those hours set up, and we'll see you back June 3rd. If the hours are complete, we'll close the matters out.
Señor, quiero que llame esta misma tarde al señor Phillips. Yo entiendo que usted no va a estar aquí presente nuevamente en esta corte, sino hasta el 3 de junio. Pero que quiero que llame esta misma tarde al señor Phillips para que agende con él de una vez cómo, cuándo y dónde va a ser las horas de servicio comunitario.
Okay.
Y entonces lo veo aquí otra vez con esas horas cumplidas ese día a las 8:30 de la mañana.
Okay. El 3 de junio.
I have to come back on the June the 3rd.
Yes.
Sí, señor.
Okay.
All right. Have a great day, sir. Safe travels and best of luck to you.
Señor, la mejor de las suertes para usted, que tenga un viaje seguro y que tenga un excelente día.
Gracias, igualmente.
Thank you, same for you, Your Honor.
Yeah. All right, this is the City of Detroit versus Johan Hernandez, case number SP 184-9399, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Se llama ahora el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus Johan Hernández. Números de caso SP 1849399, cargos 1 y 2. Que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta, por favor.
Buenos días, mi nombre es Johan González.
Good morning, my name is Johan Hernández. González Hernández.
Sí, así es.
Yes, that's correct.
Good morning.
Buenos días.
Mr. Barry.
Elwood S. Barry Jr. on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor, For purposes of arraignment, we would waive the reading of the information and stay in mute.
Y soy Elwood S. Berry Jr. representando al acusado. Su señoría, para el propósito de la lectura de cargos, renunciamos que nos tengan que leer los cargos formalmente y vamos a guardar silencio.
You're not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Hernandez, I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Muy bien, así que voy a procesar una declaración de no culpable para su cliente y darle una fianza de $0. Lo vamos a pasar usted, señor González Hernández, a una sala privada de consulta para que usted pueda hablar con su abogado, el señor Berry. Él le va a conseguir usted una oferta de resolución actualizada. Tenga en mente que si usted no le gusta esta oferta, tiene todo derecho de llevar el caso a juicio. Acepte la invitación cuando se la mandemos para que pueda pasar a la sala privada.
Gracias.
Thank you.
Well, let's pass the matter. Ms. Reyes.
Señora Reyes.
Ms. Selena Guerrero.
Hola. Yes, I'm here.
Turn your camera on, please. All right, good morning to you, ma'am. This is the City of Detroit versus Selena Stephanie Guerrero, case number SP 182907661, SP 184033521. Appearance for the, state your name for the record, please.
Celine Stephanie Guerrero.
Good morning to you. Today is the day and time set for a review. You were, in lieu of fines and costs, 12 hours of community service. I see that you went over and above. We appreciate that. And I know they did at the Second Chance Ministries. And you had two other matters here that were, that had some money owed. And since you did the extra hours on your own volition, I'm going to close those matters out. All right. And thank you for the community service. Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
So all your matters will be closed out, ma'am, and best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you so much, Your Honor. Have a great day.
Wait a minute.
Sorry.
I wasn't saying 24 hours of community service. I had 24 hours of community service, 12, 12. 1, 2. All right. I'm going to call it good. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Okay. Thank you so much, Your Honor.
All right. Reyes. Karina Reyes. Good morning to you.
Hola, buenos días.
This is the City of Detroit versus Karina Reyes Valdivia, case number SP 183-98251. Good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Este es el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra la señora Karina Reyes, número de caso CP 183-94251. Por favor, señora, diga su nombre completo para que conste en el acta.
Karina Reyes Valdivia.
Karina Reyes Valdivia.
Good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time set for review. In lieu of fines and costs, you were allowed to do 6 hours of community service. I see that you completed those 6 hours of community service. We thank you for that. And for that, we're going to close your matter out, okay?
Señor, veo aquí que se le había ordenado hacer 6 horas de servicio comunitario, ve que los ha hecho y con eso, pues entonces sus casos quedan cerrados. Muchísimas gracias por su servicio.
Muchas gracias.
Thank you very much.
Have a great day.
Que tenga excelente día, señora.
Gracias, igual.
Thank you. Same to you.
You're welcome. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Jamal Griffin. Mr. Griffin, Did,
Yes, sir.
I guess Ms. Harris took care of it, and you don't need any more questions from me, do you?
Not at all.
I didn't think so. All right. Case dismissed per city attorney. I wish you the best of luck, sir, and have a very good rest of your day, all right?
Okay, thank you. You too.
You're welcome. Ms. Harris, this is the city of Detroit versus Yvette Lewis. Case number SP 1825503, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 18201. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of Ms. Lewis, please state your name for the record.
Yvette Velvet Lewis.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute. Respectfully request that the warrants be recalled.
All right. Good morning to you, ma'am. I'll recall the warrant. Enter a not guilty plea in your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. There's an 11 to 15 over and an insurance no proof. That is a reinstatement fee attached to that. I wouldn't have any issue of allowing Ms. Lewis to be heard on those. I'm going to put you in a breakout room, Ms. Lewis. Wait on Ms. Harris to come talk to you, okay? She's going to attempt to get you an update. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. She's in there. Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Green. Mr. Daniel Green, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client is going to enter a plea pursuant to the recommendation. It would be 2 counts of allowing and an amended count responsible to an amended count of blocking traffic.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Lewis?
Mr. Green?
Mr. Green, I'm sorry.
Yes, I'll take the deal, sorry. My appointment's is Sunday, 11. Yeah.
Can you raise your right hand, please?
Right here.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Or you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Ms. Harris went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes, I guess I am.
Is that yes, sir?
Yes, sir.
And you understood those rights?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
No, sir.
You know, by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
And has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me start by drawing your attention back to June the 23rd, 2025 at around 2:29 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Greenfield and Thatcher. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
The officer asked you to produce a valid driver's license.
Yeah, they asked me to produce it.
And you couldn't do so, could you?
No, sir.
Why is that?
Because my license was suspended.
Very well. I'm going to find your client guilty as to the amended count of allowing. Let me carry your attention back to October the 5th, 2025, around 12:09 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Plymouth and Memorial. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Were you operating a motor vehicle then?
Yes.
Valid driver's license on that occasion?
I think it was suspended.
Very, very well. Find your client guilty, the amended count of allowing. Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea on your client's behalf, Counselor.
Stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, well, that stipulation, those stipulations, I'm gonna find you responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic. And I'll dismiss the other matters. Now, as for the sentence, do you want to do community service to clear everything up, sir?
Yes, I do.
Okay, so that's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 48 plus 24. 72 hours. I'll cut you a break. I'll just say 60 hours of community service will clear everything.
You mean all the tickets, so I'm able to attain to get my license, or do I still have to pay for the 288 and the 366?
Everything. So here's what I'm going to do for you. For the 2 tickets, the first 12 hours, I'm going to set a review date, and we'll set it for next month. I know if you're working, you may not be able to get it done, but we'll talk about it then. We'll set it for March the 18th. But if you come in the first 12 hours, you can come in sooner than that, and I can get rid of those 2 no insurance proofs, and that'll get you clearances here for your driver's license. Get up, Miss Gray. It's not nap time.
Your Honor.
I got insurance on my car I got now.
Mr. Green, hold on one second. Your Honor, can I go back and speak with Ms. Horn? Because my understanding is I discussed with her the 3 off-docket matters. I thought they were being dismissed per his plea.
Well, it's a 3. So you're talking about the 3 off-docket matters, and those are what? What
You told
3?
me,
He
you
has
told me
1
2
and
no
2.
proof of insurance and the disregarding the red signal.
But well, you said he was blocking traffic for 1. Blocking traffic. Hold on, Mr. Green.
Excuse me.
Mr. Green, please put your Mr. Green, no talking, okay?
I apologize.
All right. The one you said blocking traffic was amended count. I amended that disregard a red signal to a blocking traffic. The 1 no insurance proof is being dismissed, but he's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 other civil infractions that were from back in the day.
Right. I understand that. So is that what he's doing the community service for? And I thought the 2 no proof of insurance were dismissed as a part of the plea. So all he's worried about is the 3 things he planned on plus the other civil infractions.
The 1 no insurance proof will be dismissed as part of the plea. And then the other no insurance proof, he can do the first 6 hours of community service. And once you complete the first 6 hours of community service, we'll dismiss that. Close that out.
I apologize.
That's all right. 60 hours. You understand what's going on, Mr. Green?
Yes, sir.
All right. First 6 hours. If you come in sooner, I'll know whether you're coming in and you completed the first 6 hours. You have the number to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center?
Yes, she gave it to me, 313-879-2155. So when I get off the phone with you guys, I'll give them a call.
Very well. If it's nothing further, sir, March 18th is the next day. If I see you sooner than that, then I will suspect that you've completed the other hours and you want that one dismissed. I wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day, okay? And whoever was with you, tell them have a great day as well.
Thank you.
I have a question. So if I call them and do my like if I do it tomorrow, then who do I talk to? They gonna get in? They'll be able to get back in touch with the judge and let them know I did it or anything, or give me information.
Scott, Mr. Phillips, get in touch with me 24 hours a day, and you can come in tomorrow. If you got it done, you can zoom back in, and we'll close it out. The one matter out.
And so once I do all the community services, do 60 hours community service, I'm understanding that I'll be able to attain my license again.
I don't know, I won't guarantee you were able to obtain your license, right? Because I don't know what you have in other jurisdictions. But
No, I don't.
only thing that's affecting your license here is going to be the one no insurance proof, and your first 6 hours of community service, if you complete, will close that out. So you can potentially get your license before you finish the 60 hours. You can potentially get your license upon completion of the first 6 hours.
Okay, I understand.
All right. All right. Best of luck to you, sir. Have a very good rest of your day. All right.
All right.
Okay. You got it, Miss Harris. You can go speak to Miss Lewis. All right.
Mr. Green, could he call me in about an hour instead of calling me right away?
At the 879 number 2155?
Yes.
Yeah, I'll call you in an hour.
Okay.
All right. This is let's go back on the record with Mr. Hernandez. Mr. Hernandez, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Vamos a volver ahora en el acta con el caso del señor Hernández. Señor Hernández, yo le di a usted la oportunidad de hablar con su abogado defensor en una sala privada de consulta. Abogado, dígame qué van a hacer.
Your Honor, per the prosecutor, both matters are to be dismissed.
Su señoría, según la fiscalía, los dos casos van a quedar desestimados.
All right, case dismissed. Sir, if there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day and wish you the best of luck.
Muy bien, señor, sus casos quedan desestimados, señor. Si no tiene algo adicional, le deseamos buen día y buena suerte a usted.
Muchas gracias.
Thank you so much. Have a great day, Your Honor. I'll be leaving now.
All right, have a great day. We'll see you next time.
Yes, thank you, Your Honor. Bye-bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.
This is Detroit versus Kareem Leaks Jr., case number SP 1420324, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Leaks.
Kareem Leaks Jr.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Day is date and time set for Raymond on the bench warrant. Go ahead, Mr. Berry.
We would waive the reading of the information, Your Honor, and stand mute.
And we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Leaks does owe a civil infraction of $108 that was related to this case out of a no valid registration. It's too old to set aside, but I just wanted to let you know. Mr. Leaks, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
Thank you.
Well, it's past the matter. To you. What happened? You had to go somewhere?
Yeah. When he's attended.
Huh?
I just wanted to see him in office. Yeah.
Well. Yeah. You said what?
Maybe getting an award.
He's getting an award. Oh, he's getting an award for his attendance. Maybe, huh? He's always the optimist. You said it. Maybe he's getting an award.
Excuse me, Your Honor.
Yes. You want to know when your case is going to be called, right?
Yes, I didn't want to be forward. I apologize.
I mean, we're taking them in the order that they came in. You're really not even on the docket today, but you're sitting after the next, you're sitting in Montoya's gonna be up. You're gonna be after him.
Should I sign in tomorrow or?
If you want to, I told you about to be up. If you want to,
I mean, I can stay. I mean, like I said, I didn't want to be, I didn't want no warrants out for my arrest. That's the point. I'd rather be in court than miss court.
Yeah, well, you're here, and I told you we'll accommodate you. But you can, it's up to you. It's like Burger King,
No,
sir. You have it your way.
I'm here. I ate a Whopper with cheese yesterday. Hit that part. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, I'm just waiting on a lawyer.
Your Honor, Mr. Gitman, Urim de Leon needs interpreter.
Mr. Guidman de Leon.
Uh-huh.
When is Senor Guidman de Leon?
I don't know. In the docket, it's like Leon, Gitman, Urim, Perez.
Buenos dias. Yes. ¿Necesitas interpreter? Sí.
Sí, ok, gracias, señor. Y el señor Reinaldo Muñoz también. Yeah. Sorry.
That's all right. Have you haven't heard from Jordan Greer, huh, Mr. Barry? Mr. Phillips.
I'm sorry, I didn't catch that.
No Jordan Greer, huh?
No.
Do you have what number do you have? I can give you the number I have.
Okay, now we have, Jordan Greer. The number we have is 313-4433-379.
All right, that's the number we have. All right.
Oh, excuse me, Your Honor.
Montoya.
Oh, have y'all called my name out already?
No, I can't see you. We can't talk if I can't see you.
Or have y'all called my name out already?
Were you sleeping?
Nah, it's because my baby brother was crying. And I think I've heard my last name.
Yeah, he probably did hear your last name, but we haven't called your case yet.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Well, you can't find the Orlando Velasquez's file. You gave me an ROA. I wanted to see. I wanted to see exactly what we were supposed to do on the notes. Oh. What notes? Oh, I see. I see. Very well. Can we get Ms. Horn back in here, please? Are they hard on you for missing time?
Yeah.
You can run his license, Ms. Mathis, please. You back? You back?
Smiling, so it's a good thing.
He steps on D Stokes on 4th, then center.
So did you get your award for perfect attendance?
We're gonna get acknowledged for perfect attendance. Thanks.
Have a good day.
All right, you as well.
I won't even let you take off.
No.
Like, the judge not gonna be here, man.
So you can get guest around one day.
You get what?
You can get guest around.
Oh, that's what they think?
No, I'm saying that's probably what you'll get for perfect attendance.
Oh,
They used to give us them vouchers. Get the little $10 voucher thing. Like it'd be like a Subway or.
They ain't giving out nothing.
You don't get nothing no more.
So you get your paycheck and that's it.
He said, I know you got half a point for being late way back on the third, but I forgot to tell you.
Oh, okay, that's what he did.
Yeah, I was like, really?
But you should have said you only had a few days to say something.
Was it one of them call days?
I said I wasn't late on the third. See, it's right here. Say you were.
Who was that, Andre?
Gaston. Both of them actually, but only one of them. So,
Ask Mr. Griman Leon, does he have valid insurance?
Señor Gilman, Urín de León, ¿usted tiene seguro para su carro en este momento?
Sí.
Yes, I have it. Yes, I do.
Can you show it to me, please?
¿Me lo puede mostrar en la pantalla, señor, si es tan amable?
Can I get Leon's file, please? Okay, I'm good. I saw it.
Está bien, ya lo vi, gracias.
Sorry. It's very hot.
Monica, sorry, I don't know how loud that thing is.
you turn it up.
Pinch it again.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Guzman Urim Perez de Leon. Case number SP 185-31631. State your name for the record, please. Good morning to you.
Se llama el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra el señor Gitman Urin Pérez de León, número SP 185-31-631. Señor, por favor, diga su nombre completo para que conste en el acta.
Whitman Urim Pérez de León.
Wilman Urín Pérez de León.
Urim es con M.
Urim.
Pérez de León.
With M. Pérez de León.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Day, date, and time set for an arraignment. I'm going to put Mayor a not guilty plea on your behalf, give you a $0 bond, and at this time, I'm going to dismiss your case for providing valid documentation.
Está bien, señor. Hoy es el día y la hora agendado para la lectura de cargos. Yo voy a imponer una declaración de no culpabilidad en su nombre. Voy a introducir una declaración de no culpabilidad en su nombre y una fianza. Voy a imponer una fianza de $0 y voy a desestimar su caso porque usted ha presentado la documentación debida.
Ok, muchas gracias.
Ok, thank you very much.
Have a great day. Best of luck to you.
Señor, que tenga excelente día. La mejor de las suertes para usted. Se puede retirar.
Gracias. Igualmente para
Thank
ustedes.
you. Same for you.
You didn't run his license, Ms.
I'm sorry, Carlos.
Are you free to leave, sir?
Señor, se puede retirar, se puede desconectar ya.
Ok, gracias.
Okay, thank you.
Can we get Miss Harris, Miss Horn back in here, please? All right. Mr. Phillips, what about Delicia Ortiz? Did she complete her community? Oh, I got it. I got it. All right.
Sorry about the timing on that. I was trying to make it in, but
That's all right.
Yo necesito hablar con algún abogado, señora Hernández.
Miss Hernandez, do I need to talk to a lawyer?
You're going to get a chance to talk to a lawyer. We're waiting on the lawyers now, sir.
Sí, señor, usted va a tener su chance de hablar con el abogado, pero estamos esperando que los abogados vuelvan a la sala privada, a la sala general, después de hablar con los que están hablando en la sala privada. No se preocupe.
Hey, you in the building? Show me your turn. It's about the judge.
Was that her? Was that Miss Huh?
Mother, send her a text too. I sent her one.
Okay. Is that what, did you talk to her on the phone?
I text her because she's in court, so I can try to call her.
That's all right, man. It's just like,
She said I'm on my way.
I wonder if that increases the propensity to get sick when it get real hot like that in a cold season and then go back to being cold.
I don't know. Some people say it's viral, so it's just gonna spread because it's a virus. Other people, I don't know.
Yeah, it must have been a lot because we closed our school because if a certain number of people call and say they're sick, then you close so that you don't get everybody else sick. And the number was high enough for whoever make that decision.
And that's the whole thing behind the COVID-19 when they close things down, so people don't keep on infecting people. I don't know what they're gonna do about these measles. So.
Yeah, that's crazy. Because
measles
measles is worse than chickenpox, right?
Yeah, I caught chickenpox when I was 21.
Really?
Yeah.
I had it when I was like 3.
I mean, I used to babysit everybody. Do you want some baby food? When I was younger.
Yeah.
I was one of them. So
Chickenpox make you scratch and all that.
Yeah, my girlfriend asked me to keep her baby for 2 weeks, and I was like, I didn't really want to do it.
2 weeks?
No.
How do you keep somebody baby for 2 weeks?
I didn't want to do it.
I mean, how was she asking? What she got to do?
She begged me. I was like, okay. I was unemployed at the time.
For 2 weeks? What did she need to do?
Unemployment.
But what did your girlfriend need to do?
She went out of town.
For 2 weeks?
Yes.
And had a baby?
Yeah, this was her last baby.
Away from a baby?
Yeah, but we was like family though, so.
No, I'm not talking about
She
baby.
used to, so okay, I can fit it. So she picks the baby up and she was like about to do it. She was like, my baby got chicken pox. I was like, she did. And 2 weeks later, I had, 2020. I was
so the baby gave you the chicken pox.
Yes, she was like 30 something. She's real pretty.
Baby is?
She's real gorgeous.
Where's her mom? Still hanging out?
Still hanging out.
30 years later.
I think you better at that picnic.
That's the one?
One of the girls was at picnic that.
Oh, no. You don't
forever be remembered as the person whose baby gave you.
And after that, I stopped babysitting. Well, of course, I didn't babysit.
You don't keep in touch with her?
Oh, yeah. We like family. Yeah, it's worse. The reason why I brought it up is because when you're older, it's horrible.
Yeah, it's worse.
It's horrible. It's like something doing like this on you all day.
That's crazy.
That is crazy.
And I still have like a little thing right here, like a little mark right here on my heel. Because that's where it started. And I said, rubbing me. It's like a dent right here.
Good.
And I had just got my skin cleared up. I was like,
you had chicken pox good?
Well, yeah, when I was little.
It was little, yeah. When you older, it's hard.
They said measles is way worse, they said.
But my mama never gave me up to nobody for 2 weeks because they wanted.
My mama wouldn't leave me nowhere for 2 days.
That's how.
She was in good hands.
It doesn't matter.
I wasn't in good
It
hands.
does not matter. How old was the baby?
She had to be about maybe like 8 or 9 months.
Oh no!
You see what I'm saying?
8 or 9.
She was fine with me though.
She left an 8-month-old.
You keep on
you
keep on putting it on you and the baby. We're not talking about that. Y'all don't have nothing to do with that.
It's the principle.
Yeah, 8 or 9 month old baby.
Yes, a baby.
And you gone for 2 weeks. Miss Gray got something to say about that.
Great said.
I could never leave my child for that long. I couldn't.
Well, she got my good hands, and I'm the one who caught the chicken pox.
We don't care about you. No.
Good hands. Good hands.
She keep on thinking about her and that baby.
Yeah,
I took good care of the baby.
Yeah.
She knew the baby was well taken
And
care of.
it take a while for that stuff to clear. But I think you
She
got
keep on talking about the chicken pox.
That stuff is hard.
No, most mothers just can't do that,
We
right?
gone now.
Yeah, for 2 weeks, 8 months.
She might have been older than that.
She's not living his mouth. It's like, leave my girl alone.
She was in good hands, the baby.
So you was like a second mom.
No, but I start babysitting anybody's kid after that. Get your little nappy head.
You want no more chicken pot?
Thank you.
Like, do what?
She said, I don't want any more chicken pot.
Text Miss Horn again. We need to get her in here. I mean, she's not there. I'm sure that they got texting her and she can text and give offers or whatever.
We wasn't even allowed to spend on other people's houses.
Me either. My cousin, we could spend a night over my cousin's house. But I ain't.
My grandmother didn't allow it.
2 weeks.
After I got older, I didn't want to do it anyway. You know? Especially as a kid.
Yeah, she used to say stuff like, how you meet a friend and y'all be cool, it's cool. He's like, come over this weekend and you meet his father in the parking lot. My parents were like, I don't know their parents, you can't go over there.
This was up.
It can't be like I just met them yesterday and you go over there. I got to know them.
Period.
But I didn't do a lot of spending the night.
Me either. My mom wasn't playing that either.
I might have did twice with people she knew before I was born. Then they had kids. You go over there at his house.
Shit, my mom, when we was little, she come in the men's bathroom. Nobody come to my kid. Like, y'all up in here?
Everything all right here?
She wasn't playing.
Who was that? That's funny.
I believe that.
You be like that. I mean, my sisters have, it was 7 boys in our school around this.
Not your friend.
No, I'm talking about the part between my sisters. It was like 7.
My parents are so bad, my friends knew. Like at school, if I got in trouble, they be laughing at me. Like, she gonna whoop you soon, you get picked up, run to everybody.
Oh.
It's bad when your friends.
You said your mother was in the men's bathroom.
Shoot, yeah.
Who in there?
Ain't playing with them.
Who's in the men's bathroom? They're looking around.
Right. Come on out of here.
For a long time, we was like going to girls' bathroom. They be like, we trying to go in there. Like, I don't know who in there. That's cute. Now, how many? 6 of y'all, right?
6 of us, yeah.
6 boys.
Strong too.
Did not play.
When I was little, when I couldn't ride my bike off the second block. Like, don't you go fast, right? Where I can see. She'd sit on the porch, and I wanted to go all the way down past school. Crap, I wanted to go to Grand River. And she'd look, she'd scream down the block, hey, turn around. Go. That's enough. Going too far. Oh, man. Then you hit that preteen age where you can ride as far as you want. Oh, that feels so good.
To the lights came to the
Yeah, to the street lights came over, right? She'd be standing out there on that sidewalk with the street lights. Yes, ma'am.
Did you get a response?
She didn't respond.
She only responded at one time. So she said she was on her way. She said she, 10:32, she said she's on the record, so you tell me what's going on. She sent the second text, that she's on the record.
Ms. Harris,
Yes, sir.
have you tried to text Ms. Horn?
I did. And I believe she said she's on her way.
Yeah, she said that 15 minutes ago. Miss Lewis has a valid driver's license.
Yep. And she sent me her insurance. I just need to make sure she's okay with a normal blockading for the 11 to 15.
All right.
Do you want me to start talking to someone else?
You want to? Let's go with Mr. Montoya. Are you there?
Señor Montoya, ¿está allí?
Yes.
All right. This is the city of Detroit, Ms. Harris versus Darian Montoya, case number SP 1848207, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of Mr. Montoya, please state your name for the record.
Dorian Montoya Diaz.
All right, good morning
Purposes
to
of
you.
arraignment, my client stands mute.
You are not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Montoya, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Let's talk with, go to the breakout room. This should be maybe a simple one. Maybe we'll get Mr. Garvin, an attorney. All right, past that matter, let's call the city of Detroit versus Alonzo Oma Tyrone Garvin, case number SP 1846871. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of Mr. Garvin, please state your name for the record.
Alonzo Oma Tyrone Garvin.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Day's date and time set for a we'll set for tomorrow, Ms. Harris.
For an arraignment, for purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. That's set for a pretrial. So it's set for a pretrial. I don't know if you want to plead guilty to this or you want to get an attorney appointed to you so that that they can go over the issue. I don't see notes on this ticket that reference any way he was being disorderly. It's just disorderly conduct. Mr. Garvin, go speak to Ms. Harris in the breakout room. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an option.
Yeah, because it's set for pretrial tomorrow, was an attorney requested?
No, it was not. No attorney was requested. All right, Ms. Horn is here All right, join the room, sir. Miss Harris will come to you in a few minutes.
Okay, thank you so much, Your Honor.
Welcome.
Excuse me, Your Honor.
Yes.
There was no one in the break room.
Let's go back in there and wait.
I'm sorry. Excuse me, Your Honor. How can I go back to the break room?
It's always going to be open to you. Go down to the bottom of the screen and click the more button or something. You'll see it repopulate. Ms. Gray, I have to say, this is absolutely ridiculous.
I know it's a long situation.
Oh, it's not a long situation. It's going to be a long situation because you probably won't have a license for years.
That's crazy.
You have a disregard, a complete disregard.
Well, I was just in nursing school. I just graduated and I was paying
No,
$1,000 a month.
has nothing to do with this. You have a complete disregard.
A complete disregard.
Yes, for all the traffic, for the speed limit.
I haven't got
Right.
speeding tickets in a while. I just get pulled over for no insurance and
On the record with Mr. Leaks. Mr. Leaks, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to allow him to plead to the improper plates as charged, the insurance matter to be dismissed. I'm placing his number in the chat.
You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes, sir.
Raise your right hand, please. Do you swear or affirm tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Or you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room. Did he not?
Yeah.
You understood those rights?
Yes, sir.
Have any questions about those rights?
No.
By taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to June 12, 2023 at around 3:53 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of 7 Mile in Wyoming. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yeah.
And were you, it was this 2019 Volkswagen? Was there something wrong with the plates on that vehicle?
I had just got it and I didn't get the paper plates yet, and I had already got pulled over.
And you put another plate on there or something?
No, it was no plate. I just didn't have a plate.
No plate at all. All right, I'll find you guilty as charged to the improper plate. Stipulate to probable cause, I'll dismiss the other matter.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
I'll do you a little bit of a break there. I'm gonna do 12 hours of community service, but with that, I'll close out. And once you complete it, I'll close out that no valid registration. So once you complete the 12 hours, you won't owe the court any more money, all right?
Okay.
All right, March the 18th is your next court day. I'm gonna give you that time to do it. Speak to Mr. Phillips this afternoon. Do you have the number to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center?
Yeah.
All right. Call Mr. Phillips this afternoon, set the hours up, and when you get, when the hours are complete, and on the 18th of March, we'll dismiss the case. If there's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you. Appreciate you, Your Honor.
Best of luck to you. Mr. Berry, this is the city of Detroit versus Jalea Gray. Did I get the pronunciation correct?
It's Jalea.
Jalea Gray, case number SP1806340, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP1806341, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Gray.
Jalea Gray.
Purposes of arraignment, counselor.
Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Gray, you're gonna offer me, or I thought you were about to offer me some kind of excuse. I'm looking at your driving record. I see many accidents.
The accidents were none of my fault.
I'm not asking you to say anything about it. The accidents not being your fault, right? You say that. I don't know that. But I do know that, how old are you?
I'm 24. Well, almost 25.
You're 25 years old. And in 25 years already, you've probably, if you're driving at 16, you've been driving less than 9 years, and you already have this many accidents on your record. So whether it's not you or not your fault or not, the fact that you're involved in these accidents is a problem. Secondly, you talk about, I'm looking at your record and I see all these speeding violations, and I don't know if this allegation is true. Well, as of now, it is true because you failed to show up and there's a default judgment entered into your name. But it alleges that you're going 51 in a 25 mile an hour zone.
That definitely wasn't.
There you go. I'm not asking for you to comment on it. You say it's definitely not, but it definitely is because you didn't show up for court and it's a default judgment in your name.
Okay.
And there's a points on your record. So, Mr. Berry,
two matters on the docket, Your Honor.
2 matters on the docket. 3 matters that I call a total of 5. This one is 26 to 30 miles an hour over. An expired plate and a no valid registration. Now, if you think that I'm gonna believe you, that you are not going 26 to 30 miles an hour over, I don't care what you say, I'm not gonna believe it. Mr. Berry, see if you can get, if the city has no objection to set aside the defaults, I don't have any objection allowing her to be heard on it. See if you can get Ms. Gray an updated offer. Ms. Gray, if you don't like the offer, you keep in mind you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Okay.
Join the room, please. Just ridiculous. It's just ridiculous. Yeah. Well, it's messed up. She probably won't be getting a driver's license for a year, you know, for some time, a couple of years.
25 years old.
24, 25. Born on the same day my daughter's born. Hey, what?
I mean, like how we were when we were 21.
Because you're older, you're not 25 no more.
Thank you.
You know what I'm saying? I can say, we always say, oh, the young people are so much different and so much. They said that about us, right? And the reason why I look at it this way: when you get older and more mature, of course they a whole lot different. You don't have the nerve and the tolerance for that stuff because you used to do the same stuff.
No, not driving around.
Not driving around like that, but you was doing your own thing.
I was not at 24.
You was doing your own thing at 24. Hmm?
I became a driver's license
When you were 24? So did that stop you from doing your own thing?
Exactly.
All right. So something got you. Something got you away from it.
Yeah, that's it. Anything under that.
See it?
You're both 24 now.
It was on. She was off the hook.
She was at Maxie.
Maxie, where's that? No, I was not at Maxie. Me too.
But I give the young people a break. They say, oh, they're doing all this and doing all that. Mm-hmm. When you get older and further away from that stuff, you don't have a tolerance for that stuff no more. So of course you're gonna be like, oh, this young person. But when you were doing it, and then your parents were saying the same thing.
At the River Rock.
Most definitely. I didn't say anything.
My father would be like, oh, I know what he was doing. He was drinking that 8 gravy last night.
8 gravy.
When he said that, I was like to die.
That made me think of somebody was acting crazy.
Crazy.
Crazy. You got me.
8th grade. Oh God.
Please don't.
No, that's a step further from Jungle Juice. They ate great.
Oh wow.
Miss Yvette, never mind everything going on.
But y'all cracking up.
My mother say, I know you're in college now, but my door's locked at 11.
That's what your mother used to say?
Oh.
You used to lock down?
so you can stay out there if you like. I was like, oh.
Nah, that my mom wasn't even that hard. See, once we got to college, it was over with. She
I was
didn't.
like, Mom, I'm 18.
My mom won't put no games.
Your mama doors didn't lock at no time?
Not when we
Not
were
at-
not after we were in college. No.
Yeah, but it still stay out. It still get in by this certain time, lock the doors, or stay where you at.
That's what she was saying.
Nah,
After
she didn't
11,
do us.
stay where
She
you
didn't
at.
do us like that.
She said you were there before, you couldn't stay.
I adopted it. I did it.
All right, let's go back on the record with Miss Gray. Miss Gray, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, we'd seek a bench trial date so that she might return with documents.
I don't know what kind of documents she's gonna return with, but we'll see. Maybe she has a plan. All right, Ms. Gray, I'm gonna set you up with a bench trial on March the 13th, 2026 at 9 a.m. If it's nothing further, ma'am, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you, okay?
Okay, thank you. I do have a question though, and I need to write down that date. 1 second. Okay, so when you say like you doubt I'll be able to come back with any documents, like, are you saying that it's gonna be hard for me to obtain a license? Because the breakout room I just spoke to, he said there should be nothing holding me back from obtaining one. So I'm just a little confused.
Well, I don't think he doesn't have your driving record in his hands either. Says here, driver improvement course. Registration denial from February 18th through indefinite. I don't know, go to the Secretary of State and see, but
Because I had cleared up everything and they said I was only waiting on Detroit, so that's why I was.
You have a significant amount of points here. Okay, so if you're only waiting on Detroit, then I don't see where it may be because they were in warrant status. Maybe they might. Maybe I'm wrong.
Yeah, I cleared everything.
Your warrants are clear. So go to Secretary of State. Hopefully you can get a valid license. But I do hope I do hope that you correct some of your driving habits.
For sure. What was the date again?
March the 13th at 9 a.m.
Okay, thank you.
Best of luck to you.
Appreciate it.
All right. Let's call the City of Detroit versus Reynaldo Nunez Moreno. Case number SP 1853935, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1853941. Appearance for the record, please.
Está bien, llamemos entonces para que conozca el caso del señor Reinaldo Muñoz Moreno. Número de caso SP 185-3935, cargos 1 y 2, y SP 189-39441. Sus comparecencias, por favor, para que consten en el acta, comenzando por su abogado.
With us, Barry Jr., on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Munoz Moreno.
Woodbury Jr. representando al acusado. Por favor, señor Muñoz Moreno, diga su nombre completo para que conste en el acta.
Mi nombre es Reinaldo Muñoz Moreno.
My name is Reinaldo Muñoz Moreno.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Su señoría, para los propósitos de la lectura de cargos, nosotros vamos a ceder a la lectura formal de los mismos y vamos a permanecer en silencio.
I will enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Good morning to you, Mr. Moreno. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Buenos días, señor Moreno. Yo voy a introducir una declaración de no culpabilidad en su nombre y voy a establecer una fianza de $0. Lo voy a mandar a una sala de consulta privada para que hable con su abogado, quien le va a ofrecer una oferta de resolución actualizada por parte de la Fiscalía. Sepa y entienda que si usted no está de acuerdo con esa oferta, usted tiene todo el derecho de ir a juicio, si así lo quisiera. Por favor, únase, acepte la invitación para ir a la sala de consulta privada número 2.
¿Me la puede mandar por
Acepte. Can you send it to me, please?
It's sent.
Ok, ya lo mandaron, debería tenerlo enfrente de su pantalla. Unirse a sala, a grupo pequeño. Join. Ajá. Join. Grupo pequeño, sala privada.
He's going in there. I'm going to send him. I put him in 8. I'm going to switch him over when he's done. All right, he's going to be in.
Perfect. Thank you, Your Honor.
Somebody should tell me to do that. I'm not really saying, helping the judge, and I don't know what y'all think I can get. Somebody should have. See?
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Garvin. Mr. Garvin, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Well, let's go back on the record with Ms. Stark. Back on the record with Ms. Lewis. Ms. Lewis, I've given you the opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client is going to admit responsibility to the amended count of blocking traffic, with the remaining matters dismissed.
What you want to do, Ms. Lewis?
Yes, I'll do community service.
All right, 6 hours of community service. Will you stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for that responsible plea on your client's behalf?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, with that stipulation, I'll find you responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic in lieu of fines and costs. It'll be 6 hours of community service. I'm going to give you until March 18th to complete the hours. Is the number that you have up here the best number to reach you, ma'am?
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
And you have the number to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center?
Yes, she gave it to me.
All right, you see that number on the screen, don't you, Mr. Phillips?
I sent it to him in the chat.
All right, very well. Miss, I'm going to give you until March 8th. Miss Lewis, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you, okay?
Okay, you said Judge March the 18th at what time?
At 8:25.
8:25? The same, I use the same ID number and stuff to get in? Hi.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning.
Okay, thank you and have a good day, Judge.
Better one. This is, let's go back on the record with Mr. Montoya. Mr. Montoya, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
We are asking for a trial date, but I did have to use the interpreter on his case.
Oh, let's pass it then. I'm going to send him to his alphabet judge. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Garvin. Mr. Garvin, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Is this once an appointed attorney?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Garvin, I'm going to appoint you an attorney. I'm going to give you a pretrial of March the 13th, 2026 at 8:30. That date is set so that we make sure that that appointed attorney has an opportunity to contact you. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by on or before that date, then we'll get one appointed to you on the spot on that date, okay?
Okay, what's the date again, Your Honor?
March the 13th.
March the 13th, okay.
Yeah, I just need you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney, okay?
Thank you so much, Your Honor.
All right, best of luck to you, sir. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you very much.
This is the city of Detroit versus Delano Rodriguez, Alvin John Gary, case number SP 1845492, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name for the record.
Gary.
Good morning to you, sir. Day is date and time set for a arraignment on the bench warrant. Go ahead, counselor.
Purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute. Respectfully request that the warrant be recalled.
I'm going to recall. There's no warrant. It's just under arraignment, so he hasn't missed anything. Mr. Gary, I'm in there and not guilty plea on your behalf. Give you a $0 bond. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Okay.
Okay.
And it's just
Join
the
the
two
room.
matters on the docket, Your Honor.
Yes. All right, we'll pass the matter. Mr. Garvin, I'm going to put you out if you don't have any other questions, okay? This math has got up into somebody,
Should I?
checking them out.
No, Judge, I don't tell you half the stuff that's going around.
Oh, no.
Do I?
You're like, you're like, yeah.
Do I? I don't tell
I
them
know
half
what
the
you're
stuff.
talking about. I don't think you'll be doing right.
What you say?
Nothing.
I don't tell you half the stuff. It's hard sometimes to get these people. Ain't that right, Mother?
Boy,
Baby.
what? Who is that?
Who is
Tell Miss Miller.
Call me if something's gonna happen.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Gary. Mr. Gary, is my understanding you want a trial date?
Yes.
All right, bench trial date is going to be March the 13th, 2026 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, sir, wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Okay, have a good day, Judge.
You too, thank you. Good morning, good morning.
I saw one of your reels online. It was good.
You liked it?
Yeah.
All right, that's what's up. How's the little one doing?
She gets so big. She can dance and cheer.
I bet.
She be running me right.
I know. All right, take it easy.
Gotta go.
I get a phone.
Later, I gotta give out break. All right.
Take it to work. I don't know what. Now I gotta go back up all that work and I work before, and they would see. Sure. Check. But I try. I know y'all. That. Saw that evening. I don't be doing it. Just said he don't see you no more since we moved him aside. His father. She said she get nosebleeds up here.
Yeah,
man. We ain't seen a slush or no popcorn, nothing.
Yeah, they thought the machine was broke. Huh?
Yeah, we don't see you no more. Where you at, Miss Thomas? Okay, bye.
I'm back.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Moreno. Mr. Moreno, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Volvamos para que conste en el acta con el caso del señor Moreno. Señor Moreno, le di la oportunidad de hablar con su abogado, el señor Berry. Señor Berry, ¿qué desea ser su representado?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to allow him to enter a plea to allowing for the driving while license expired and to plead to the seatbelt charge as charged.
Su señoría, mi cliente se quiere adherir a la oferta de resolución ofrecida por la Fiscalía, que es reducir, declararse del cargo reducido de que dejó que alguien sin licencia manejara y declararse del cargo original de no tener cinturón de seguridad.
The insurance matter to be dismissed.
Y el cargo de no tener seguro va a ser desestimado y él quiere hacer las horas de servicio comunitario.
You want to take the deal, sir?
Señor, ¿usted desea tomar este acuerdo?
Sí.
Yes.
Can you raise your right hand, please?
Por favor, ¿puede levantar su mano derecha?
Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
¿Usted jura decir la verdad, solo la verdad y nada más que la verdad? Yes, I swear.
You can put your hand down.
Señor, ¿puede bajar su mano?
Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
¿Usted entiende que la máxima penalidad para estas ofensas podría ser hasta de 93 días de cárcel y hasta $500 de multa o pagos?
Sí.
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
¿Usted entiende que usted tiene absolutamente el derecho a ir a juicio si usted quisiera ir a juicio?
Sí.
Yes.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Y mientras que estaba en la consulta privada con el señor Berry le explicó cuáles eran sus derechos. ¿Es así?
Sí.
Yes.
You understood those rights?
¿Y usted entendió esos derechos?
Sí.
Yes.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
¿Y
No.
usted tiene alguna pregunta acerca de esos derechos? No.
You know, by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
¿Y usted entiende que tomando este acuerdo, esta oferta que le están ofreciendo, usted está renunciando a esos derechos?
Sí.
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
¿Y alguien más le ofreció alguna otra cosa aparte de lo que ya hemos hablado aquí que constan actas?
No.
No.
Draw your attention back to January 15th, 2026, around 5:22 p.m. in the city of Detroit. in the area of Verner and Livernois. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Señor, déjeme llevar su atención al día y lugar de los hechos, que fue el 15 de enero del 2026, alrededor de las 5:22 de la tarde, en las áreas de las calles Vernon y Livernois, en la ciudad de Detroit. Ese día, esa hora y en ese lugar, ¿lo paró usted un policía de la ciudad de Detroit?
Sí.
Yes.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
¿Y estaba usted manejando un vehículo?
Sí.
Yes.
Did the officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Y el oficial, el agente de policía le pidió que le mostrara una licencia de conducir válida.
Sí.
Yes.
And you couldn't do so, could you?
Pero usted no se lo pudo mostrar, ¿verdad, señor?
No.
No, I couldn't.
All right, and why is that?
¿Por qué no pudo?
Porque está vencida.
Because it's expired.
All right. Did you not have a seatbelt on that day, sir?
Está bien. Y ese día, señor, usted no llevaba puesto su cinturón de seguridad.
No.
No.
All right. I'm going to find your client guilty as to the amended count of allowing 12 hours of community service. I'll dismiss upon completion. And for the not having the seatbelt on, I will not fine him since he's doing the community service.
Señor, entonces está bien. Yo por el cargo enmendado de que permitió que alguien sin licencia a manejar, le voy a poner 12 horas de servicio comunitario. Y por el cargo de no tener cinturón de seguridad, no le voy a poner ninguna multa ni le voy a poner ninguna servicio de comunitario, ya que usted está haciendo las horas de servicio comunitario. Y una vez que termine esas horas de servicio comunitario, el cargo de el que dejó que alguien sin licencia manejada queda también desestimado.
You have the number to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center, sir?
Señor, ¿y usted tiene el número para comunicarse con el Centro de Justicia Comunitario donde va a establecer las horas de servicio comunitario?
Sí.
Yes, I do.
All right. Call Mr. Phillips this afternoon, set the hours up. I'll give you until March the 18th to complete the hours. If you don't have anything further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Está bien, señor. Por favor, llame esta misma tarde al señor Phillips para que establezca cómo, cuándo y dónde va a ser las horas de servicio comunitario. Le voy a dar hasta el 18 de marzo para que las tenga listas y ese día, entonces, ¿qué queremos?
Señora Hernández.
Yes.
Tengo que estar de vuelta aquí el 18.
Tiene que preguntarles al juez. ¿Qué? What do you say?
Tengo que volver a estar aquí el 18 a hacer otra vez el Zoom.
Okay, on the 18th, I have to come back here again by Zoom.
Yeah, if you're on the list and you've completed the hours, you don't have to show back up.
Sí, señor, pero si usted ya está en la lista y ya completó sus horas, no necesariamente tiene que meterse, pero si no, se puede meter igualmente si quiere o no.
Okay, gracias.
Okay, thank you.
All right, best of luck to you.
Señor, que tenga la mejor de las suertes.
Okay, gracias.
Okay, thank you very much.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Montoya. Ms. Hernandez, Mr. Montoya needs an interpreter.
Está bien, volvamos nuevamente. Señor Reinaldo Muñoz Moreno, se puede desconectar. Volvamos para que cuenten el acto con el caso del señor Dorian Montoya. Señor, aquí tiene una intérprete.
Requesting a trial date.
Él necesita una fecha para su día de juicio.
All right, you want a trial date, sir?
Señor, ¿eso es lo que usted quiere? ¿Un día para ir a juicio?
Sure.
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to send you to your alphabet judge. This is going to be a pre-trial. When you get to your alphabet judge, you can ask him for a trial date, okay?
Okay.
Señor, yo lo voy a mandar a usted al juez que le toca según el alfabeto, según su apellido. Eso va a ser para una consulta previa al juicio. Una vez que usted comparezca ante este juez, usted le va a pedir que usted quiere ir a juicio.
Yeah.
All right. Your judge is going to be Judge Wagner.
Su juez va a ser el juez Wagner.
And the next court date is going to be March the 4th at 8:35 a.m.
Va a ser el día 4 de marzo a las 8:35 de la mañana. 4 de marzo, frente al juez Wagner.
And the Zoom ID is 360-331-0000.
Y señor Montoya, note por favor, Montoya, el número de conexión de Zoom para el juez Montoya es 360-331.
Sí.
0000, 4 ¿Me repite, por favor?
3603310000.
Perfecto. 360-331-0000, Your Honor.
See. If it's nothing further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Señor, si no tiene ninguna otra pregunta, nada que agregar, le deseo la mejor de las suertes, que tenga un excelente resto del día.
Okay, igual, gracias.
Yes, the same for you. Thank you.
All right, have a great day.
Está bien, señor, que tenga excelente día.
Igual.
Same for you.